Dogecoin expected to show a 1.8% rise, according to coin price forecast. To begin, here's a snapshot of the market movement. Right now, Dogecoin is trading near $0.1081 after a 1.7% daily increase. We now take a look at forecast opinions. CoinLore's forecast puts the price at $0.1062 by May 2, about 1.7% below now. Digital coin price suggests Dogecoin could move lower towards $0.10691, dropping approximately 1.1%. According to coin data flow, it may head higher towards $0.10974, about 1.5% above now. Another prediction from coin price forecast shows Dogecoin could strengthen to $0.11, an increase of approximately 1.8%. And finally, Crypto Predictions expects the price to reach $0.13206 by tomorrow, which is 22.2% above the current price. This is the most profitable forecast of all we reviewed. We've heard from all 5. Let's continue the analysis. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. Based on the range of expectations presented, the price could be anywhere between a decrease of 1.7% and an increase of 22.2%, depending on the analyst. As a result, Crypto Predictions is expected to post the highest return with 22.2% growth in value by May 2. In short, you could pocket between $11 and $222 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering the probabilities, digital coin price has the forecast most likely to succeed, with an 82.3% chance. Taking into account all 5 forecasts, I've put together one overall consensus scenario. The shared outlook points to Dogecoin landing close to $0.11298. Okay, let's open up the details. The consensus forecast is for a 4.5% increase in price. That forecast suggests your capital might also gain by 4.5%. A 1,000 investment could illustrate a profit of about $45 in this case. And overall, the likelihood of this consensus projection for Dogecoin is estimated near 46%. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon, according to analysts. CoinLore expects losses to extend. The view from digital coin price is bullish for the short term. The outlook from coin data flow shows the price drifting lower. Coin price forecast suggests upward pressure will persist. Additionally, Crypto Predictions suggests the short-term path is upward. By integrating these assessments, the consensus view points to a bias toward upward movement for Dogecoin across the 3-day horizon. Bringing the forecast together, most project Dogecoin to follow a rising path. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Now we can compare them with the actual price. As a result, yesterday's chart closed at $0.10652. Not a single prediction matched the actual move. In terms of accuracy, the winner was CoinCodex. Time to unpack the outcome. All 5 forecasts ended up outside the market's move. Looking at ROI, the results turned negative for all analysts. Now on screen is the overview table, all results at a glance. Looking at the summary, Traders Union registered minus 4.2% ROI and 0.20's $666 accuracy. Can you tell which analyst came the closest to reality? Now we'll see how the expected returns for tomorrow differ across several coins, including Dogecoin. Dogecoin is ranked number 1 for tomorrow's forecasted profitability, showing 4.5%. In this section, Dogecoin is compared with just 4 other random cryptos. The full comparison with many more assets is now available on my website. That's it for now. Subscribe if you want to keep track of who's really accurate. See you around.